have these clay potting pots, right? Unglazed. Very important, unglazed. The science behind this is called Olla. O-L-L-A. You look it up. And I have, what I'm going to do is I'm going to plug up the hole with a cork. Because normally you use it for potting, right? But we're going to do it for something very different. So I'm going to put a cork inside of the hole here, see? And plug up the hole so it doesn't leak. See? Right? And then I'm going to bury it and I'm going to put this on top. So I'm going to go do that now. I'm going to do it over here. So I'm going to take this pot, I'm going to put it right in there. Like that, see? Then I'm going to take this and sort of level it off around here. Like that, right? Not a single worm, not yet. I mean, there are worms here. There are more and more worms are showing up every day. I got a sign outside, Worm Hotel. Okay, and then I'm going to take, oh, it goes here. Okay, right, see? Okay, so I'm going to do that. I bought a few of them. They're all going to go in one of these beds. What this does, it provides a way to water underneath. This will water this whole bed. It'll last forever. And I have a secret ingredients that I add to the liquid. It's all about biology. So what I'm going to do now is we're going to take our time and put them all in each of these beds. As you can see, over here is the pots are all waiting in line to get buried, right? So they go like this. And then one more thing has to be done, because you can't leave it like that, because some will bake the water, bake the can, and just make it dry out. So I'll show you what to do when we're done, okay? Okay, so this is from my pine trees. You can see how it's already decomposing. This is what I'm going to want to cover my little containers up so the sun doesn't get to it. Because I also feed this to the worm. It's eucalyptus leaves that are already dried up, and of course pine needles. And you see how they're turning into nice, rich, dark soil. So we're going to take it, put it in here, and we'll take it, put it in the garden. So this is where the worm juice comes from the worm farm, goes in here, okay? And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to add some of my top secret ingredients, which I make myself, because people have been asking me what's in it. I can't tell you what's in it. So this is my powder that I make, which I'm going to add to here. And the powder comes from all these ingredients. I get Bigfoot mycorrhiza. I have a bunch of other different ingredients. Seaweed extract, effective microorganisms, tons of stuff. I've been doing it forever. You're never going to be able to duplicate this. So we're going to make this into a liquid, and this liquid is going to get ended up inside. This is also wood vinegar. Is my friend Blue Sky, wood vinegar. Then we're going to take this liquid and we're going to put it into that container that I showed you, okay? So let me go ahead and, so you'll need that in. Ready? So here's the liquid that we're going to use into the container. Only need a little bit, see, a little bit, because it has to be diluted with water. This is a concentrate. So this is organic wheat flour. So there's two different things I use, a whole bunch of different things, but I'm going to show you one at a time. This is organic brown rice flour. Okay. So these are going to be feeding the microbiology in the ground. That's what that is for, is to get the liquids to go into the ground. So what I'm going to do is add this to distilled water. Here's my water filter. This is a water filter. You cannot use city water. City water kills biology. It's a filter, filters out the bad stuff, and otherwise it will just kill everything that I'm trying to grow. This is the worm juice ready to go. That's going to go in this water. Okay, you always want to dilute, okay? The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add a little bit of the flour. So a little bit. So you take a look down in there, see? So the wheat flour is slow release. This stuff will feed the biology slowly over time. The rice flour is quick release. The biology will eat the stuff I've brought away, so I'm going to put this stuff in here. There they are there, okay? And tape it, right? Can you see down in there? So I'm gonna go ahead and mix this up. See how it's all dissolved? So normally you can let it sit and ferment, but it's going to be fermenting in here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take, I need to grab one. So you ready? So I'm going to take this and pour it in here. See? And then I'm going to take this and top it. Okay, that's going to take a while to seep out. Now you can give me the other stuff. Okay, you ready? So I'm taking pine needles and it's going to go here. I do that to protect it from, the sun will bake it and kill everything. This is nice and cool. The stuff will take its time. And we're going to take a video and pictures of it as it grows. Because the worms will love it, the biology will love it, everything will start growing really well. Right now they're being fed by what I do, sheer luck, okay? So that's what, I'm gonna do that to every one of these beds. Oh, okay.